Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm sure from the title of this video you guys already know what's in this box. Honestly, I was really scared to open up the box because as you can see, it looks like it's been thrown around a lot and the items didn't feel like it was really secured inside. So yeah, I was just scared because I pay a lot of money for this. It's not sponsored, by the way. I ordered two of these. One is a 22 pins knitting machine and the other is a 40 pin knitting machine. They're both Sentro brand. I've been seeing a lot of people giving good reviews on this, so I wanted to give it a try. If you guys seen my previous videos before, these are not my first knitting machine. I've had one before. My mom bought it for me as a birthday present, but it was an off-brand one and it wasn't really working well. That's why I wanted to try more like new, better brands knitting machine. That's why I bought these Central ones. I bought these two machines on Shopee, so I'll try to leave a link in the description below for those who are interested, but I think they ship only within Malaysia. But yeah, I'll still leave a link for those who are in Malaysia watching this and are interested in buying these like knitting machines. to watch a tutorial for this, but let's stretch it out a little. Fold. It's a little beanie. Okay, it's small. It's not going to fit. It's not gonna fit me. Maybe I should have ordered the bigger Sentro. Nope. But this is definitely going to fit my son or my daughter. It's a cute little kid's beanie. I love it. It's so pretty. The 22 pins knitting machine was a bit hard to work with because it was facing sideways. Once I know how to do it, I started try making a few things with different type of yarn. But in the end, I was disappointed because it wasn't going really well. I kept getting loose stitches, drop stitches. The machine kept getting stuck, and I ended up being so frustrated. I just kept going. I didn't care about the loose stitches. I didn't care about the drop stitches. I ended up making a long tube, but it just wasn't looking really good. Okay, I made this with the 22 pins. It does not look good. It's there are loose stitches, drop stitches, and I have like redo this like multiple times, and it's still looking like this. And I've done this with like different type of yarn too. This is the milk cotton one. Again, drop stitches, loose stitches. Oh, sorry. Drop stitches. Stay. Sorry. Again, drop stitches, loose stitches. I didn't do much because I keep getting stuck, so I changed. Again, I changed. I even used the yarn that they gave inside the packing. It did not go well. I unraveled this that I made with this, so I don't know where it is. So the 22 pins is not looking good. Maybe because it was damaged, or maybe I just don't know how to use it yet. I'm going to try again with another different yarn, or maybe I'll just try it with this one. So far this is the only yarn that's been somewhat successful in making something. The others are just keep getting stuck, or just like it doesn't want to go. So I'm gonna try again with this one. I'm gonna use a different color this time. Oh gosh, the color is so bright. I used the hot pink one this time, so that's why it's like so bright. Again, drop stitches. Oh gosh, you can't see it. It's really not looking good. Drop stitches again. Another annoying thing is like went through this loop here. It's going through this loop here. So if I want to like, I don't want to continue anymore, I want to take this off, I can't really take it off like this and just keep going so that it'll fall off. You will. So the 22 pins is not doing good.
It's really bad, but the big one, the 40 pins, is doing really well. I love it. Oh, it's very pretty. I didn't take the 48 pins because I thought I want to make like beanies and headbands with these 40 pins, but since I've made this beanie, I'm just too scared that I can't make adult size beanie because this is small. Like, this is small. That's my first word. The second one is a little bit of disappointment in that there's no stitch count, there's no row counter. I was really hoping for a row counter, and the 40 pins doesn't have a row counter. I'm not sure how I'm going to count my rows now. I might just have to do like the measurement thing, like take it out every once in a while to measure if it's the right measurement, but that's not always. I just wish it had a row counter, but so far at least I have some success and I can do something with it, so I cannot wait to start making more beanies. And I hope maybe if I made it longer I can make like an adult size beanie, so I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this. It might look okay once it's been edited, but filming this and everything has been like a little bit of chaos because behind the scenes I was like trying all sorts of different yarn with these two machines to see which works with which one, and it's like the table is full of swatches from these two machines, and literally this is the only like successful this is the only thing that was successful in the few hours that I sat here to try out this machine. I mean, there are a lot of swatches. There's this one, there's this one, like there are a few that I unraveled too, so the table is a mess. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope I can make another video of me like making an outfit with the Sentro. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!